First open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In playing audio, press Run. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work, first open Chrome. Click on Settings. Click on Settings. Scroll down to Advanced Options. Click on Advanced. Click on Site Settings. Click on Sound. Enable mute sites that play sound. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand sound, video and game controllers. Right-click your audio device. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Uninstall device. Press Uninstall. Now restart.